But it says rear lift.
Yeah, because it lifts it back up with after you drop it 6 inches from the flip kit.
Puras fallas.
So here's what's fucked up. Manny thought he got the rear hangers, but he actually got the front hangers. So he's sad, but we'll make it work. I'm sad too because I was supposed to use your drop kit, your rear hanger, to drop my truck.
I owe you a hanger kit now.
Nah, don't worry about it. It's gonna be bagged soon, I hope.
YOLO.
Okay. Well, now I guess it is what it is. Okay, got one side halfway done. Got the spindle and the rotor. Now we're working on getting the control arms out. Got our eccentrics clamped in place so it's easier to realign. So John, don't get mad.
Might need the socket.
There goes the same, there goes the same. There goes the pipe from my soul. I think a fall angel just walked by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul.
Here's all the parts he got. Street Performance shocks, new control arms, uppers and lowers, hub and bearings, outers, inners, and then he made a mistake and got front hangers instead of rears. So that being said, I won't be able to drop mine because I need his rear hangers, not the front ones. So new spindles, 2-inch drop spindles, 2-inch drop hangers, and those things. What are they called? What? These things?
Shackles.
Shackles. That thingy. I forgot.
I always forget that.
Okay. So the good thing about that is because he's lowering the front 1 inch, and technically, no, the front 2 inches and then the back 2 inches, the pinion angle is going to stay the same, so he won't have to worry about his pinion angle later on. So that's what we're working on. We're going to do the front first and then we'll move on to the back. Work it!
Shake that thing, miss. Kinda shake that.
Usually. Come on, look at this one.
No puedo.
So now what we're going to do is he's taking off his old tie rod. We're going to count how many revolutions.
Should we mark it?
No, because you got a new nut on this one anyway. We're going to use the new nut that it came with, but we're going to count how many revolutions it takes to get the outer tie rod off and do this new one the same way, the same revolutions. That way it's closer to factory, that way it's easier to realign. Plus we got to take that apart anyways to take off the boot.
Fucking shit. Trying to go
What
with
is?
difficulties. Nope.
If he can get it off.
Most likely not. Am I gonna go to the other way?
Are you sure you're going the right way?
I don't know. Sepa la mother.
I'm gonna have to fast forward through this part. Hey!
They quit. Fuck
Hey!
I did it!
It only took you like half an hour.
Fuck you. 1, 2, 3. 19, 20, 1,
I'm gonna call 23.
23, 24.
Oh! Okay. Now you gotta do the same thing on the other one. Well, first you gotta put the boot on.
Oh, hi. It's going.
Wrong way. Just kidding.
I just found the hole, too. It's bullying. You guys are bullying me.
I can't believe you fell for that.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight for me. There goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
24.
Stupid!
Y'all enjoying this, huh?
You sure that's it?
Hope so. If it is, that's how it's gonna go now. Okay. Let's do this again.
Ready, class?
1, 2. 4.
24.
24. It was 24.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Wait, you forgot that.
What the fuck do I need that for? Ta-da!
Okay, now you're ready to put it back on.
Let's do it.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
Can't get in the hole.
That was a present.
Thanks, Nadia. Nope.
There you go.
Just walk by. Think a fall angel just walk by.
I think it's all angels just walk by.
Okay, so hold on. What we did, you can't reuse the same clamp that I had before, so we use a zip tie. But make sure you cut your pigtail off. So you need to cut it.
You need to cut it.
Like that.
Okay. Now you need to pull the tie rod all the way out, fully extended. Make sure it's not gonna pull the boot off. Come away.
150 pounds, nigga, chill out.
You done yet? Oh wait, no, stop. Okay, so here's our update. We got the upper end, the new hub, the drop spindle, and we're now trying to find some cotter pins to do this tie rod. We got the cotter pin for the upper. Go ahead and also tighten down your clamp for your boot. I think all that's left is to mount the caliper and connect the wheel speed sensor, and then kind of snug everything down, and then leave it loose for when we do the alignment. So this side's almost done. I think on this side all we have done is the tie rods and the lower control arm. We got to do the upper and do everything else on this side, and then we can finally start the back. So kind of cut through a lot of it right there because we just wanted to make sure everything was going to fit correctly, but it's going.
It fits.
It fits.
It ships.
We're halfway there. Okay, we got the front finished. all this side, new shocks, upper lowers, all that good stuff, new spindle. And we finished the front. Now comes the hard part. Dropping the rear. Gotta do the rear hangers, the rear shackles, and the front hangers. That one's gonna be fun because we gotta drop the fuel tank. So, yeah. Because somebody got the wrong hangers.
Hi. Madam.
We got some white boys to help us today. Some Terminators. They're gonna do our alignment for us. So we're gonna start with the rivets. He's gonna start grinding these top front ones off. So we'll see how that goes.